Hi, I'm Catherine, and I'm going to be talking to you about the physics of paddleboarding. I hope you enjoy. It is hard to know when modern stand-up paddleboarding began. Modern paddleboarding is believed to be created in the 1940s. Surf instructors from Waikiki, Hawaii, named Duke Kanawaku and Leroy and Bobby Anchoy would take paddles and stand on their boards to get a better view of the surfers in the water and the incoming swells. Now it is mostly done for pure enjoyment. In paddleboarding, start on your knees before standing to get a good feel for the board under you. Once you are comfortable on your knees, work your way up to standing position, but make sure you keep your knees bent. To hold the paddle properly, place one hand on top of the paddle handle and the other a comfortable distance below. To begin paddling, insert the blade of the paddle as far as you can comfortably reach ahead of you and pull back. In paddleboarding, bending your knees is key for you to keep your balance. The physics of paddleboarding has to do with work, power, and the conservation of energy. The formula for work is force times distance times cosine theta. In paddleboarding, the person applies a force with the paddle into the water and pushes the water back to propel the distance forward. Theta is the angle between the surface of the water and the angle of the paddle. Because the force is exerted into the opposite direction of the movement, work is negative. In this image, the force and the direction of movement are going in the same direction, so work is positive. The principle of the conservation of energy states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, but it can be altered from one form to another. The paddler converts the work they perform in chemical energy into kinetic energy and then into heat. The formula for conservation of energy is PEI plus KEI is equal to PEF plus KEF. Both initial and final potential energies are zero because there's no height. Power is also a factor in paddleboarding. Power is the rate at which work is done and can be calculated by the formula power is equal to work divided by time. Paddleboarding can be a fun and exciting activity that has good health benefits. It helps you gain a lot of core strength while doing something entertaining. There are even associations dedicated to promoting sports of stand-up paddling. The Professional Stand-Up Paddleboard Association, or the PSUPA, is an internationally recognized education association dedicated to promoting stand-up paddling through instruction and community support. A common thing to do on a paddleboard is yoga. It requires a lot of practice and balance. It is believed to be an even better workout than regular yoga because the platform is unstable, forcing you to engage your core more for better balance. It is also believed to be more calming. The sensation of floating helps to alleviate the heaviness that life throws on your shoulders. In conclusion, paddleboarding is a fun and exciting activity that is greatly affected by physics. Paddleboarding is so much fun, and I hope everyone gets a chance to paddleboard sometime this summer. Thank you for watching.